In this video, we will look at the different techniques for selecting text. Some of the possibilities are: selecting a particular word, selecting an entire line in a paragraph, selecting a sentence, selecting an entire paragraph, selecting required text in a paragraph or line. Let us see one by one. To select a particular word, place the cursor over the desired word that needs to be selected, and double-click. The required word is selected. Next is to select a particular line in a paragraph. For this, place the mouse pointer at the start of the required line and click. The required line from the paragraph is selected. We can also select a particular sentence. To do this, press the Ctrl key, and click anywhere in the sentence to be selected. The required sentence is selected. Also, to select an entire paragraph, place the mouse pointer at the start of the paragraph, and double-click. The required paragraph is selected. Another way to do this, is by triple-clicking anywhere in the paragraph. To select a particular text in a paragraph, you will either drag the cursor or double-click on each word in a line. Instead, place the cursor at the start of the text that needs to be selected. Press the Shift key, and click at the end of the text that you want to select. The required text is selected. These tips may help you in selecting text easily. Thank you for watching this video.